Welcome back to another vlog. I am so excited to be filming for YouTube again. It's been forever since I posted one of these videos and a lot has changed. Clearly, I am 38 weeks pregnant currently and I am literally about to bring another child into this world. So we're about to do a little labor and delivery prep vlog. I have my 38-week appointment this week. I need to get my toes done and my eyebrows waxed. I need to get my eyebrows waxed so bad. And just a couple last minute little things I need to get. We're gonna pack my hospital bag because I haven't done that yet. And I'm literally scheduled to have an induction next Wednesday. So it's literally happening. It's here. You're gonna have a baby. I cannot believe it. I literally cannot about that. Who kids? That's crazy. That's crazy, for real. But yeah, in my last vlog, I told you guys some stuff that you guys could expect from me in the future. And it's changing, I'm not even gonna lie, because my life is changing. So it's giving very motherly, it's giving family, it's giving motherhood, it's giving wife, it's giving lifestyle. You have to just be where you are, and that's where I'm at, because that's what's going on in my life right now. So let's get ready to have this baby. We are currently outside my OBGYN for my 38-week appointment. I cannot believe we are at my 38-week appointment. I already have my induction scheduled for next week, next Wednesday. So it is literally here. Like, I cannot believe that I'm literally about to have this baby. Like, I feel like this pregnancy went by so fast, so much faster than with Remy's, and I always tell everybody, like, we did so much when I was pregnant with Remy. Like, we moved like 3 times and just a lot was going on, so I just feel like that pregnancy went by really slowly. But this one, I mean, it went by so fast. So I'm just like, wow, it's really here. I'm gonna take you guys in here with me. We'll do an ultrasound today. One thing about my doctor is she's going to do an ultrasound. We've literally done an ultrasound at every single appointment with this baby. With Remy, I did not do that. I saw so many different doctors because we moved, and like each doctor was different, but I only had like 2 ultrasounds until we moved here and I started seeing my doctor now. And then we did ultrasounds at the rest of my appointments. And at first I was like, is this like necessary? But now honestly I love it. I get to see my baby every time I check the cord, and it's just been like so just like relieving for me. So yeah, we'll do an ultrasound, we'll do my cervix check. My last appointment, oh no, hold on, Remy just got stuff all over her. Hold on, I don't want it to get on your shirt. It's okay. Wow, great save, mommy. Oh, it's on your hand. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, be careful eating that. I'm about to get you out. Like, for real. Okay, so, I forget what I was even saying, but, oh, at my last appointment, I was 2 centimeters dilated, and I was 2 centimeters dilated at the appointment before that. So at 36 weeks, you start going every week. So my last 2 appointments, like weekly appointments, I was 2 centimeters dilated. So we're gonna see where I'm at today. I'm really not trying to have this baby until next week because we have family coming in town, and it was just easier for me to schedule an induction. I really, after Remy said I wasn't gonna do this again, like I wasn't gonna do another induction, but it's just easier for me. I need to make sure I'm gonna have my doctor. I need to make sure my family's gonna be here. If the baby comes before then, it's fine, but it's just gonna be easier. So we're gonna go inside. I have Remy here with me. Say hi, mama. Hi, mama. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Start that stuff? You are so special, little girl. You get to play with all of the cool stuff at the doctor. Wow. I just finished up my 38-week appointment. My cervix check, I was still at 2 centimeters, so I really haven't progressed in the last couple weeks. But my doctor's like, we're just gonna give you some Pitocin and we'll be good to go. With Remy, I was induced with her also, and I had to like get that balloon catheter thing in. I got my Pitocin, my water broke. I'll do like a whole separate video with my like birth stories. I'm just really curious to see like the difference between the two. But I don't know, I'm like, how long is this gonna take? Because with Remy, it took forever to dilate. Like, it took me so long to open up, and I really just am like dreading that process again. But I'm trying to stay like hopeful. I've heard people say that the second time you just open up faster. Hi, baby. But yeah, we did an ultrasound. We checked weight. I think I said that. She's like 6 pounds, 11 ounces. Yeah, that's really all we did. I go in next Wednesday morning at 5:30 a.m. to get induced. So it's really happening. Okay, so we came to Walmart to grab a couple last-minute little things. The music is so loud, I don't even know how I'm going to record this without getting copyrighted. And they're playing Britney Spears, so. But we came to Walmart to get a couple of things. When I had Remy, I saw these things on TikTok with pads, and I put witch hazel and aloe vera, and I froze them, and I had them to use during like my healing. And they were really well. I didn't get any aloe vera because I wanted to get like an actual plant of it, and they don't have one here. But I also got a couple little onesies. These are so cute. The vibe for the birth and her colors are like browns and neutrals, so I just got this little newborn onesie, and then this little donut one. Remy's like super into donuts right now, so I thought this was super cute. And then I just got some long sleeve onesies and another pack of sock and mittens, which I just ordered some on Amazon, but you can never have enough. Remy literally lived in these mittens like for months because I did not want her to scratch herself. So we got those. I also got some, oh, your water's going. Do that. I also got some shampoo and conditioner from Monday. Monday has this new curling shampoo and conditioner for curly hair. So I'm going to try this out. I also got some Sensodyne. I'm about to get Remy some cheese puffs and some other snacks for her. And then we will be all done with our prep shopping. Okay, it is Friday, and Javon and I are about to go to dinner for a little kid-free date night. Our neighbor is going to come and keep Remy for us, so we get to have a little date night, and I'm so excited because we haven't had one of these in so long. It is 4:57, and she's going to be here at 5:30. Our dinner's at 6, so we're trying to hurry up. But I did want to include this in the vlog because, yeah, it's something that we're doing this week. It's something that we're doing to get ready to have this baby. So, starting out with a little, this isn't actually concealer. This is Tarte's Shape Tape Glow Wand that I think is supposed to be used as a highlighter, which I really use it as everything, just depending on my skin tone. I have a little tan right now, so it doesn't really work This just doesn't really show up that well as like a bronzer or a contour stick, which is how I was using it originally. But I'm going to layer this Xoxo's concealer on top of this because this is too light and that's a little too dark. So I'm hoping that they'll just blend out perfectly. I'm not going to talk a lot because I am running late, but this is what I do. Didn't wash my hair today, clearly. It's just been in this braid that I did earlier. But I washed it yesterday, so I'm just going to freshen it up. It did get wet in the shower a little bit, but it probably will help it out. I'm going to use this curl reactivating mist from just kidding. It's called Next of Us, and it's a next day curl reactivating hair mist. I also have their leave-in conditioner, which I might use. So we're gonna spray that. First I'm gonna take some of this makeup out of my edges, which don't know if this is the most effective way to do this, but it's the way I do it, so. Okay. Now I'm honestly just going to go in with this. I would maybe wet it first, but it's already wet from the shower, so I'm just going to go in with this spray. Cool. Okay. So it's pretty wet right now. Honestly, more wet than I would normally have it, but oh no. Remy probably wanted to play outside and Javon probably was done doing what he was doing. Yeah, we've been just learning to manage our emotions. Okay. Trying to see how much I should put up. Or if I should even should I just use a clip? I might just use a clip. Like something like this. Yeah, she wanted to go outside. Aw. Miss Amy's about to take her outside though, so it should be good. Oh yeah, she's saying that she wanted to go outside. She's been really wanting to spend time outside lately, which I do not blame her. It's been so nice. Okay, now we're going to keep 2 of these little curls down. And then we're going to clip the rest of it up. And that's what we're going to do. Hey! You wanted to go play outside?
Yeah.
Miss Amy's about to take you outside. Come here. Miss Amy's going to take you outside and plant some flowers. Right? Mommy and Daddy are gonna go bye-bye. Remember we talked about this. We're gonna go eat and you're gonna stay here with Miss Amy?
Yeah.
Okay, well, hey. Come here, Remy. Come give me a huggy. Look, come here. It's okay. You're about to go outside with Miss Amy. Mommy and Daddy are just getting ready to go bye-bye, okay? Okay. This is the final look. I need to do my lips, but the stuff is downstairs. Remy's still tripping about going outside, so we are just going to catch back up when we are out the house. So, see you then.